Here we have some Ruud Achiever units at a commercial property. The model number is UPNE 060CAZ. The serial number is 743M3707-06653. These were made in 2007. Not sure if these are heat pumps or straight cool units because I can't see the reversing valve in them. These are 2009. They pretty much all have the same model and serial numbers. They're all Ruud Achiever units. Nothing too special about them. But yeah, one of them is running right now. Yeah, Ruud Achiever, 2009 Ruud Achiever units at a commercial property. Over and out.